is a sweater, a round neck sweater, and I came up with the numbers. I just wanted to show you here what this is. I measured the head that is going to go through. 1/3 is going to go for the back, 1/3 for the front, and 1/3 is being divided, half for one sleeve and half for the other sleeve. So I wanted you to see the sweater, and now I'll explain with numbers. So here we are. I made my swatch, and I know that 24 stitches give me 4 inches. And I measured the head of the person I want the sweater for, and she measures 22 inches around the head. So if I multiply the two crossed given numbers, I multiply 24 by 22, and then I divide by the leftover number, which is 4. I get 132 stitches, which is what I need to go around the head and around the neck. So if I divide 132 by 3, it gives me 44. So I will have 1/3 for the back, 1/3 for the front, and 1/3 divided by the two sleeves. So if I have 44, 44, 22, 22, and then I need 4 for the add-ons, the places where I'm going to be adding. So it gives me 136. Now, I have the back, which is 44, one sleeve, which is 22, one sleeve, which is 22, and I have the 4 added for the add-ons. I'm going to call these places the add-ons. But I am going to be eliminating the front part because I don't want like a boat-shaped neck, or I don't want a turtleneck, or I don't want these stitches to be, on my throat. So since I want the U-neck, I need to eliminate these 44 and add them little by little as I knit down. So now I have the 44 for the back, 22 for one sleeve, 22 for the other sleeve, and the 4 for the add-ons. I have 92. Now I need to add 2 stitches, one on each side here, because those I need to keep adding on every right side row for the front of the neck. Once I have as down as as low as I want it, I'm going to connect the 2 sides, in which I'm going to add 18 stitches in order to close the U-neck, and then I'm going to be knitting in the round. So that's what it is for the neck.